Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to edit an image inside the ProductDyno media library using the built-in image editor. You can also edit product or collection images anywhere the media library appears. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your products or collections. Select the product in which you want to edit the image, and then click Manage. Next, click on Content Designer. Here, you can edit any image that's placed inside your content. Click on Edit. This will open the media library where you can select the image you want to edit. After choosing your image, click Edit Image. This will open up the image editor. You'll see all available tools on the left side, along with Undo and Redo at the top. Using Undo and Redo options quickly revert or reapply any change. If you want to resize your image, click on Resize, adjust the width and height as you like, and then click Apply. To crop your image, click Crop, make the desired selection, and then click Apply. To change the overall look or mood of your image, go to Filter. You'll find the multiple styles here, like Blur, Invert, Grayscale, and more. Some filters even have a slider, so you can fine-tune how strong the effect appears. If you'd like to rotate your image, click Rotate. You can rotate it by 30 degrees or use the slider to set a custom rotation angle. To flip your image, click Flip. Then choose to flip it along the X-axis or Y-axis, depending on your preference. When you're satisfied with your edits, click Save Image to replace the existing image in the media library. If you'd like to keep the original image as well, you can click Save as New Image instead. For this example, let's click Save Image and confirm. Yes, overwrite the image. You'll now see that your edited image has replaced the old one. Finally, click Update to apply it inside your lesson. That's it. Your image is now successfully updated. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.